Hello my people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If today is your very first time you come my channel, don't forget to subscribe and make you turn on that post notification bell so that anytime we say I upload any new video, now you go be the very first person we say YouTube will talk say this girl don't see upload new video again. My name is Sonia, aka Gist My Food. So we'll go straight to the video. Today matter we say I want to discuss about, and this matter we say they go on now for Nigeria concerning this body school matter we say it a trend now for news, you understand? So then the matter now I carry come so can discuss. But before I go discuss this matter, so what me see for this thing, so me say they go on now for what in the woman, which is the mother of the Pikin post. Make I give brief story to people who say no get idea of what we say they happen. So the get this particular woman, so she say her Pikin will say get one of the boy Pikin will say get. See that boy Pikin say they very intelligent. Well say so. Yeah, your husband finally decide say okay, as this Pikin dey intelligent, so if we say we could leave this Pikin for house, make this Pikin from house they go school, because say make this Pikin no dey play, come be say no come dey put eye for book, come be say if they put eye for book before, come to say okay, as this matter be so, make the young come go register this Pikin, make they carry this Pikin go boarding school. Say for that reason, if the Pikin dey for boarding school, say the Pikin go dey 100% focused, no distraction, nothing. No. So now your husband come finally decide say okay, dog, make they carry the Pikin put for boarding school, where the Pikin will forget 100% focused for school activities. If at least say the Pikin go get friend for school, then the friend will say go see get them people will say go see they encourage the Pikin, make the Pikin for they do more. Say the Pikin so now Pikin will be say bring the dust for book, like yeah they bring smoke when it comes to this kind of book matter. Then the person Pikin will say really they smart, Pikin will say they intelligent. Say so now your husband they finally agree. Pikin even they will discuss the thing about for with the Pikin, say the Pikin they extremely excited. Do you understand? Say so they finally apply for school for this Pikin so for Deeper Life school. So mama say based on say the school on a Christian school, say as in like she feel confidence in the school, say yes, nothing bad go happen to a Pikin. So now for there, he and the husband and they can't really go register the Pikin for school. The Pikin can pass the exam, the entrance exam for the school. The Pikin can finally see the admission for the school. So when the Pikin see the admission for school, now this woman so come tell the headmistress and the people who will say they in charge of the school say this Pikin will say I guess so this Pikin a very intelligent Pikin. Thank God say we don't know because they already come pass the exam for the school when they get the admission for the school. So say but the only problem we say this Pikin get, let me say this Pikin they peace for house. Then the problem we say he gets, let me say he get anything other sickness like maybe say he get diabetes or maybe say he get anything like asthma or maybe asthmatic person or maybe any other thing. No they get cough all the time, no they get headache, no they get malaria all the time, as in just normal Pikin. The only thing we say the thing we say they worry this Pikin, so then we say this Pikin they peace for her. Say so then the teachers they contact assure the market to say that will not be problem at all. Not be problem at all. Say that one is small thing for the total and say they believe say once the Pikin don't dey for the school, definitely the Pikin go stop to the peace for house. Then they come to finally discuss the matter. That one can't finish. So the day we say the day of the normally if they get admission for school like this now, if especially when say they be new intake, you get one party when they do for school, when we say they call orientation program. Then that thing be when we say they will come introduce the new pupils or the new students. So for the school environment to take they say see the one who say be lab for inside, or see the one who say be classroom for inside, they'll even introduce them, give the seniors them, introduce them, give the teachers them, make they familiar with the environment when they go for the school in, especially as that matter can be boarding school. So she understand. Say the Pikin on that day of the orientation program, and say that Pikin they very excited. Say if you see the joy for the Pikin, say even your mama says to say it should be say a born Pikin, in short, then the school won't be say the Pikin, they won't be say the Pikin don't go, so should be say they born this Pikin. So the way you say they extremely happy. Say mama was so satisfied, say and come couple with say the Pikin cause no book. Mama just they are sure say this Pikin so yeah go over hot fast, won't be say if they hot for before. Say so the Pikin come finally now he come start to go this Deeper Life school. So he said no do now 1 month when we say this Pikin stay there for school. So he say he come dey dream different dream. Now he come dey dream. Say sometimes he go dream say Pikin go tell am say mommy bye bye. Say if he say make him look the Pikin face, if he say make him look the Pikin face, the Pikin go dey turn face. If you see make you look the pikin face, pikin go dey turn face. But anytime we can say bon bye, as they go tell mama so bye. Now mama go to say this dream so e dey strange. You can't discuss am with your husband. Your husband want to say no. So no be wetin they go yours carry. May no be wetin the woman will dey worried about. Make they sit down, make they pray for the situation. So he say as he pray, he say man they do and say he pikin wey dey for school. The mother come dey like dey very very disturbed to say this dream wey dey dream no be yours common dream. No be say even think of a pikin for daytime. When we say go carry go dey dream this dream. So see now every time this dream they continuously to dey appear for her dream. So now he come ready say no, as this matter be so, I want to go school. My pikin school go know as the situation be for school. Make see go see pikin for face, at least make you know whether pikin dey okay or not. Make you be say maybe you go dey fit in just made dream, but this time around make you go see for herself. Make she just go greet her pikin. Say so, and the thing they disturb her now, he just come ready go to school. So as he go to school now, he can't tell the person who say they in charge of the school say I beg go, I want to see my pikin. Then he come tell her say madam,
what's the mean you come to school? Why you go come school? They don't only say they come to visit pikin for school. Nobody they will say you come. So for that reason, so we not go allow you see your pikin.
then the woman come to say
Why you not go allow me see my pikin? I beg. See dream why I dream. I just see my pikin no dey okay. At least make una let me see her. Even I not go as make I just see her. Make I for come. Then I come to say no, madam. You know see your pikin. We not go allow you see your pikin. They not be visit.
Because normally for every boarding school they get special day they call visiting days. So when we say they allow the parents or person when we say mama or papa or pikin fit send come may bring things come for pikin, or may you come see look at pikin for face how they be that day. That visiting day, so it can be once in a week or it can be once in a month, depends on the kind of school principal when we say the school get. Say so they not allow this woman see the pikin. Say she come like she the thing come bring quarrel. The way they come see the way say she as she take serious put, and they come finally decide say okay they will bring pikin come. And say when they bring pikin come out, he say see pikin. Say pikin won't be say if fat, if me robo like pikin won't say if Greek, no kind of Greek pikin won't be say if you see them you don't say ajebo they show for the pikin face. Say if you see pikin, ajekpako better person. If you see pikin. In short, ajekpako dey learn for you be say the pikin dey when you see pikin. He say even pikin won't say even get kwashiorkor yourself, even better person pikin won't say see pikin. Say to say my pikin, you dey sick. Say pikin dey look on like this. My pikin, what did they happen to you? He say pikin no fit talk. Pikin be like, sick man. Pikin will say me lekpe like na small remain breeze your blow on. Na so go you follow there for ground. Na he ancestors. Na go dey see. Na so pikin come be say pikin come keep quiet. Pikin me mouth me feel. Pikin no fit talk. Still I go dey ask my pikin, what did they happen? Talk to me. Na maybe your mama talk to me. What did they happen? Say pikin no fit talk. Say he can see one student wey sit there for the school. Say that small pikin, so say that small pikin man dey make parrot. You know say na every year for the students of small children for school, so they can talk for the whole world. He say when he come ask that one say what did they happen? Say that one come open mouth tell the mama say see wetin happen. But that one so you not tell the mama the full details. He say so he come put the pikin for motor. Say when he put the pikin for motor, they follow the pikin dey talk. Say pikin come dey carry the vomit. Say so. The teachers now, they come they ask the teachers, what did they happen? See none of the teachers green talk. Now because of the carry, I don't know whether they can't carry pikin go out, so whether they allow and carry pikin go out, or whether the pikin stay for the school. Stay for the school. Won't be say until the time of when they don't write exam finish, then carry pikin go out. That one I don't know. She understand. He said, but won't be say the pikin come reach us. Now they tell the pikin, they ask the pikin, say my pikin, what did they happen? Now house stand with them now nobody go come carry they beat you for you. Tell me what did they happen? Say pikin come begin the open mouth come dey talk say na peace for school, for the junior secondary school be saying day. Now they come talk say no, say the junior secondary school so say no go contain now the junior secondary school base when they put junior secondary school students say no go contain now, say they come carry and go senior secondary school. For the senior secondary school side base, he say when he come there for the senior secondary school side base, he say when he come peace for house, say not be small thing, won't be they use the ITC. He said they will begin to carry their hand, they shook for inside a nyash. They'll begin carry their leg, they shook for inside a nyash. They'll begin to use their leg till they kick in belly. No be small beat they go beat her. He say for 1 week they not go allow and bath. He said they tell am say if he use the math take go tell any teacher for the school wetin be say they go through for the senior aunt so he say make he just consider himself say he no be living as in say he be dead among the living. He say fear no gree let am talk. Say if he use the mouth tell anybody say you consider yourself like gone. Say that story that touches the heart na him loved ones go hear concerning him. He say so for that reason he no come fit talk. He can't keep quiet. He said that thank God now happy me come dey happy for my heart. Say you come dey carry me dey come house now. Say mommy I beg. That school so I beg. I no go that school again. I beg mommy. Come dey beg him mama say no go fit go back to that school again. Short as he come dey tell mama say mommy I'm not sure say I will fit go back to the school. Anyway, not be what I will talk too much anyway. I will fit put the if you dey interested. I fit put the video when we say the mama make when we continue to ask the pikin question for another video. If you link the video for the comment section or if you put on for the description box below me, you see the story for yourself. If you even watch the story itself, then story won't be say your body go like you go to imagine now. You go to imagine and say God, it not dey possible. It not dey possible for all school, for the whole world as Nigeria come big reach so deeper life won't be say they know say they dey deeper in the life of Christ. Make I put on like that. So now that school, that deeper life school, now this kind of things so come for the happen. Be say seniors then they shook hand put for small pikin of 11 years old nyash. How you see the matter? In short, so matter they won't be say if you hear am, the thing go they be you like maybe na fin trick. Now, trick that kind of thing not fit dey happen as it not fit happen, not fit dey possible. But on a normal grant, now what TV say happen, it gonna be you like so human being they want to reason like animal. So children they want to reason like fools them. When they reason like animal, when they reason like goats. When we say as the senior secondary schools come big rich, they don't see another punishment. Give small pikin when we say the peace for us. Now to come begin the shook hand for the small pikin nyash na dey sabi. Those days the school when me go cause this boarding of a thing I get knowledge of boarding house well. You know why? Because the school when me go, the secondary school when me go na boarding na e be. But the boarding be say e get both people when we say students when we say they come for boarding and students when we say they come for day students. When we say if they come school they'll still go as while some day as boarding. I get friends they won't be boarding. Shey you see boarding so then I analyze the way we say this boarding school they be. Shey you see as they see principal, as they see headmistress, they come they see vice principal, they come see teachers, they come they break down from principal, vice principal, they come see teachers, they come break down down, come go reach guardian. People when they call guardian so now they head of people who say they for boarding. So that guardian so it be like as they see mama, but this one so go be now the work when they are employing for na guardian. Okay, that guardian so na eyes now they use it as na eyes now they see almost everything we see they go for the boarding school. She understand? So that boarding school so all the children eat the children not well anything we say they go on for the school and that guardian so now yeah they see. Sometimes most of the boarding schools then they get more than one guardians. They go in so much a way when we say they go take share around when we say each guardian so they will get students when we say they know say they will feed their eye go fit see finish. Sometimes a teacher can be guardian when they do teacher work you go see be guardian too. So know how we say that particular school so we say this small pikin dey so they not gonna know what they go on for this what they go on to that pikin, what they happen to that pikin body because that guardian definitely pikin we say they carry come school when we say he fresh pikin may rubber under 2 months pikin don't dry, don't lean like boski, it don't lean like boloko, like bone. Not before the guardian to take call the parents of this pikin so to take they say see what they go on. This pikin they sick, muna come see una pikin or may they bring anything like treatment. Come we say if the pikin they take any form of treatment for us. Now for the guardian responsibility to take call the parents. So they not call the parents naughty. Definitely I believe say those teachers them, so I believe say they know what they go on. You know why I thought say they know what they go on? Because remember I say the boy thought say because say they piece for us, they can't refer and go senior secondary school. Maybe go they follow senior secondary school students to go they sleep for their place. If not be the guardian go appoint the pikin go that senior secondary school, who go appoint the pikin go the senior secondary school? Because the head girl or the head students, you not get the right to take appoint from junior secondary school to senior secondary school without the guardian knowledge or without any of the authorities knowledge. So now because say they just purposely want punish that small pikin of 11 years old, so let me come and say they just decide to carry and go to senior secondary school because they know say once he reach that senior secondary school, so say aunt go definitely meet him. For all the punishment when be say they see when seniors they give junior, so now to come they shook hands for small pikin nyash they come sabi. Wetin this word they turn it to? Like wetin this word they turn it to? Senior secondary school at by this kind era don't they know say they shook hand for small pikin nyash. Gone are those days when they say if junior do bad or if be say seniors want punish students, the punishment they give them a punishment like they go draw motor for ground, just make they push the motor from one place to another. Because they don't say not they possible now the highest punishment they will give, or they'll put big drum of empty drum, they'll give the students spoon, make they use the spoon till they fetch water from tap, make they feed the big drum, or they will also make it lead down. So upon the punishments, so far so good, now to begin to do that kind of nonsense, and they come they do. So how come the teachers will come to say they know they are aware of that situation? That kind of pikin, so there's no way that kind of pikin go take they concentrated for what they teach them for class. There is absolutely no way, because if they teach them now on that place, 9 months go they go. It's sure the punishment we say go receive if he go back. 9 months go this. Churches like Deeper Life them. 5 days of Latter-day Saints. I not can remember what they call them again. Whether in Latter-day Saints they call them. Lost choosing them. Jehovah Witness. Churches many. Sure you see these churches so, if you not be member to them, like maybe you not be member, they say they want to say they carry the church for it. So if you not be their church member, there's no one say they want to be friend with you. In short, those days when we say they grow, they come, we go there for compound with Jehovah Witness them or Deeper Life. You be their neighbor, but they not go open mouth, as if they not in church. The parents they not go like me see the children they play with another person when they for compound, when they go the same church when they go. If they happen like if they when we say Jehovah Witness, there is no way when we say person we say you know they carry that, you know those kind of maybe also they carry those kind of churches for head now. They can't get family friend with outsider. Person we say they outside will not be of the same faith with them. They can't carry that kind of person. When they begin to make family friends with them. Now for small pikin, they begin to teach their children, but maybe they distance themselves from anybody when they share the same faith from them. Who knows whether those senior secondary school students so now that mentality when we see they get, when we see they small of say they don't they mingle with person when we say not be the same faith with them. Let me come say they can't give that small pikin that severe punishment, because according to the mama story, the mama say it not be Deeper Life, but he don't know say if you not be Deeper Life, your pikin there for hellfire. If you be say they put your pikin for Deeper Life boarding school, more come reason now you sure say deep been that boy so in mama or in family, so that boy papa and mama they be Deeper Life then, so you sure say that kind of thing go happen. To me honestly, I don't believe say it will say that boy family so they be Deeper Life, that kind of thing for not happen to that boy when they come use that boy till they see that kind of humiliation for school. This thing when we say happen to this pikin so it can like if it spoil the pikin life in the sense that the pikin go dey pass through trauma, the pikin go dey pass, and no forget say Nigeria na one kind economy, na one kind society when we say if anything happen to you, the thing will come be like form of stigma to you. We say people go dey until they laugh you. In short, I believe say this thing we say even happen, so not be today begin dey happen so for boarding school. Not because of the shame when we say most families no want to see their children pass through or make them pass through for the society. Make them be say many of them keep quiet. So say maybe they swallow the shame, because if they can't let the people, if they can't let the society know the ones wey dey go dey clap and follow the person and like they talk, say many of the one they use am for publicity na go many pass. In short, if the woman wan even go market, say wan go price fish, maybe im money no reach to dey buy the fish, maybe you no get money to dey buy fish, and make am be say you con go dey find scam to take scam the deeper life head person. Abi me for see money take buy fish, take dey cook food for us. So people go see dey now be say if the woman dey still dey waka for road now, so if this particular woman now begin dey waka for road now, they do their nose like this. Go see am. E dey look for publicity. Many people dey like that.